That's like so cool. That really is like this, like such simple, like different way they. They're not flat. If I was standing straight up, like standing up on level ground, you can see how you try different brands, like I know where you lost
I don't realize how hot it is outside until I come in from the
air conditioning. Yeah, well, I think the back door's still open, so that's this. You know.
It is. Electric bill this month is going to be a little high. I have like one window AC unit. It's a small one to fit in my attic window so I can lift it. The other two are in the basement. Yep, you're going to stay down there because I can't pick you up.
Oh no.
Always wondered if
why don't you call us?
Yeah, they do.
John want to carry a giant window air conditioning unit from the basement?
Why not?
Do they have the guys yet? I don't think so. Somebody said they do in Reebok, not in Skechers. But I don't know. I don't look because I was wearing Skechers before these even came out. Yeah. So,
there it
I was
is.
wearing Skechers way before they came out.
So was I.
Wait for it. Wait.
Skechers are way cool.
Sean, say wow. Getting towards the end now.
Yeah. Wheelbarrow solely for the purpose of firecracker.
Catch, clean up. Yeah, I know they keep. That's why I say this thing is going to be so shaky from me trying to brush off the mosquitoes every 5 seconds.
Well, you're not missing anything, so right now anyway.
Oh, there goes. Oh, a big one.
Ooh, right on the bridge of my nose.
Oh, they're awful.
Mosquito.
They're all daring. Wow.
So Danielle, did you really like Coraline?
I like that name. You want me to say no?
No, I'm just
All right, I'm just saying. If you want me to say no, I'll say no.
my mom's name, you know.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, that's why I like it. I thought it was Connie.
That's when she came to America, she changed it to make it more American. Changed to Eileen.
That's true.
So she had one left leg.
Left leg.
Don't show us the Sullivans. Turn the volume off.
Just watch the picture.
The mushroom stuff.
Oh, these mosquitoes are so...
Mushroom pizza.
Yeah, right. Mushroom pizza. There goes the big one. Wow. Wow. He's got, I think, 2 more big ones. Oh, and look at that ginormous one. That must be the finale. See, there's 2 of those, and then that one ginormous one.
Oh, that's his friend Paul.
That's Paulie, yeah. Paul the Walking Dead man.
I wanted to say that, but not on camera.
It's well known.
He's been walking dead for quite some time.
That's right. Yeah, that's been a number of years.
Are those his kids?
His girlfriends are. One of them's his girlfriend kid. The other one's a cousin of his. So her nephew. Sweet.
He like fits right in with the kids. Look at it's another teenager over there.
Paul, yeah. He's cool like that. And here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is awesome. Woohoo! Cornholio! Oh shit!
That thing's gonna.
Oh!
Watch the camera die on you.
I know. With that fuck.
You ready, Shawnee?
This is it.
One.
Get the big one.
You ready?
Run away.
Don't tell him that. We'll have to chase him.
Not him. I was telling Sean. Wow. Wow. Those things are huge. Woo! Yeah! See, look at the hole.
Stay here. Stay here.
What's that?
There he goes again.
He's gonna run. He's off and running. Going to visit the neighbors. Sean, stay in the yard, please. There he goes. He's going visiting. He's going visiting.